Hey friends, welcome to a very short clip. This is my second custom piece for today. I changed the display and I put the military display into this green Hulk. Love it, great. Looks really sick on the wrist. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Have a nice day and take care. Bye.